right, this is Colton. I am the contractor with Ness, and we are going to be taking off this shingle, doing a repairability test for Mr. Ness, our mutual client here. In order to take off this shingle, we are going to have to go not only up one row, but two. And during that process, we're going to try not to damage any shingles and lift them up as light as possible. In order to do that, we're going to have to break the seal of 1, 2, and 3. So we'll do that now. Right. That's 2. I needed 3 right up here. All right, now we're going to lift up these nails under here to get off this one right down here. And as you can see, there's a lot of granule loss already while just breaking the seal here. We're not gonna, this nail isn't anything. All right. Put this up. All right, now we gotta take off the nails under this right here. Take this off here, and you see, if you come in here, we're going to see some creasing right here. If you look, if we were to nail back in these shingles, look at all this granule loss. Now you can imagine doing 12 of these and seeing how much damage this would actually cause. And in this process, we didn't even lift up the shingles as far as they needed. Now, if we were to nail these back in, we would have to lift these up over 50 degrees, which then, if you see the creasing right here already, this would be a lot more creased, and then we'd have to repair the whole thing. So now we are going to tarp off Mr. and Mrs. Ness's roof, and hopefully we can get back to Allstate and we can get a full roof replacement. And I believe that's what is needed for Mr. and Mrs. Ness here.